What's up, everybody? It's Jonathan from LoneWolfDayTrading, and today is the day of the big unveiling. Let's check it out. So here it is in all of its glory. Okay, I can't do that. All right, so here are my results for September day trading. I know for a lot of people that may not be familiar with this, it's just a bunch of numbers. I'll actually just break it down. So starting over from the left side, working over, we have the symbols. So I have 30 symbols. These are just the different stocks that I traded. There was 30 different stocks that I traded. Next will be the tickets. Whenever you enter or exit a trade, or if you add on to the trade or any type of execution, is going to be a ticket. 142 isn't too bad. I try to keep it low. Once you start getting to the higher numbers, people are normally running to like FOMO or something like that. Now buy quantity and sell quantity is just the amounts. It's pretty self-explanatory. Gross P&L, this is the amount before any type of commissions or any type of fees. $5,298. Now for the next one, I almost shit myself. Commissions $565.50. God, all right. Yeah. Okay. Working our way. So routing fees, $126.83. This is just a fee that your broker is going to take whenever you want to execute a trade. They're going to charge you for your request going from you to them to the market, back to them, back to you, and they get more money. So it brings us to the number we all will look at is a net P&L, $4,605.67. So the primary reason for this video is just to show everyone that it is possible to make a good amount of money in the stock market. You don't need to be a professional. You don't need to work at a corporation, and have all this capital to trade with. And also just to break down some questions that new traders normally do have when they're interested in the day trading. So I know for myself, years ago when I first got into day trading, or about a year and a half, I had no idea what I was doing. I went, on the Google, I searched how to day trade, or I want to day trade. And of course, a bunch of videos came up, people claiming that they made all this money. And if I went to their trading program or followed their link, for only $5,000, I could trade just like them and it would be perfect. I could retire and oh man, life would be complete. And it obviously and unfortunately, it's not that simple. There's actually a lot of work that goes into this. I've put thousands of hours into learning the trade and being consistently proficient. A primary question that people have when they're first interested in the day trading is, do I need a fancy setup? Do I need the 4 or 5 monitors to look at all the different charts and everything like that? And simply, hell no, you don't need all those. Good Lord. So our next question would be, do I need to be in the market full time? Do I need to monitor it constantly, consuming your life to make a good amount of profit? Again, absolutely not. All the trades that you see in front of you took place between 9:30 and about 10:15. After 10:15, 10:30, I feel like the market just kind of goes sideways. Now, granted, there are people that don't trade the first 30 minutes to an hour, and that's fine. They're mostly just searching for different patterns forming, but the large swings are going to occur when the market opens. Of course, you have all the different orders coming in. I actually have a day job. This isn't my full-time gig. I don't do this full-time. I do have a day job. I trade between 9:30 and 10:15, so if I need to take an early lunch, that's what I do. It's not convenient. I mean, who's really hungry at 9:30 in the morning? But because you're passionate about something, you make it work, and that's what I do. I sacrifice certain things to be able to do what I really enjoy. The last question I have is, are the best traders, and this is more of an advanced one, but are the best traders both bullish and bearish? For those that may not know, bull means you want the stock to go up, you want the market to go up, and bear means you want it to go down. Now, a little bit of insight, all these trades that you see in front of you, the entire P&L and everything, these are all short trades. I never buy. And a lot of people would say, you're missing out, or you're a shorter, you suck. which may be true, but that's just what I'm comfortable with, and that's what I've really studied. And again, I'm confident with it, and I'm green, so yeah, I guess I suck. That's fine. Now, I wouldn't say the best traders are both bullish and bearish. There's a lot of momentum traders. They only trade when the stock is going up, and that works fine for them. They're in the green. And again, for myself, I'm only bearish, and I only trade when it goes down. It's all about knowing. Mostly stock is just psychology. You want to be in the head of the other person. Where would you enter or where would you exit the trade if you were bullish or bearish? And then that's how you would be able to find your entry and exit points. So I'm very passionate about helping people, get into trading and become better traders. The reason I started trading is, I wasn't satisfied practically where I was in life. I felt like there was more. Of course, money isn't everything. Again, money isn't happiness, but it is freedom. You get freedom to do whatever you really want. If you want to take a vacation, you have the money there. If you want to buy something, you don't need to put together this huge plan like, oh, I can only spend money here. I can't go out to eat ever with my friends or anything like that. I have to save or something like that. This gives you the freedom to really enjoy life. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. I have my email posted below. If you have any questions whatsoever or you need advice on trades or strategies or anything like that, please email me. There's no charge or fee or whatever bullshit like that. I genuinely just want to help people improve their trading and, help them maybe feel like if they're in a rut in life, they can improve it. Again, this is Jonathan with Lone Wolf Day Trading, and stay green.